people. So as of yesterday, I was just binge watching on this. There's this particular website. Yeah, it's called Gaia.com, Gaia.com, and like you can see some of their videos on YouTube also. It's glimpses of their videos because here it speaks of the fact that like crystals are supposed to be like living life forms and they are intelligent, and so much so at some level our human brain also has these kind of crystals embedded. That's how we are able to develop our intuition, and crystals are found buried deep in the earth, right? So uh, even like be it any crystal, it has the exact geometric shape of like all crystals, be it anything, amethyst, quartz, rose quartz. No, I mean, this is like it's almost physics at a very deeper level. So I can hardly speak about it in a 1 minute video, but really, people, you all should check it out. You all can check it out on YouTube itself, because that Gaia.com, that site, it's like 800 rupees a month. You should subscribe to it. It's they call it the Netflix of spirituality. But I feel if you can begin watching the Gaia videos on YouTube itself, it'll like open your mind. So sweethearts, this is the reason I'm saying this, is because so many of my friends are so nice, so kind enough to say that after they watched my this particular video, they decided to watch this show or this series, and then they realized it was really good. So really, people, just if you all are interested in all this metaphysics and whether there are extraterrestrial life, and just generally metaphysics, meta being the Greek word for beyond physics, beyond the laws of physics. So try it out, check it out, people. It's called Gaia, Gaia, and it's one of the most amazing channels and websites you can ever visit. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.